Hey everyone, so this video is about the 2018-2019 9th and 10th grade concert band all-state etude. That's a lot of words to describe this thing, but this is the lyrical version, so let's talk about that a little bit. It's pretty slow, right? It's quarter note equals 56. So that's about here. So what you want to do to prepare for this, first make sure you sound good, do your long tones, do your scales, make sure your clarinet's in tune, make sure you have all the right stuff right, make sure you sound good, and then we'll take a look at this thing, right? So first, just subdivide every rhythm you can in 56. Just start with quarter notes. Start with A notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then try triplets. Triplet, 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 16th notes and sixes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be faster than that. But then you want to go in between them. Practice going in between them. Set the metronome to 56 and go 1 and 2 and triplet, 1E and a 2E and go between 16th notes and triplets and 8th notes and sextuplets, and I think you'll have all of the rhythms that you need for this lyrical etude, because that's probably the toughest part, is just subdividing and making sure that you're playing the correct rhythms, because there's no gray area in a rhythm right, unfortunately. You just have to play the absolute correct rhythm. So make sure you're comfortable with what all of those rhythms feel like. Practice doing that, and then stick the notes in there, right? So here's what it sounds like. So there's a few things in that one specifically. There's, let's see, in measure 11, there's another place for this side key for the D. You can just add this, this third trill key for the D there. And looking at that F, the high F at the end, you'll need to practice that a lot, obviously. You can try this F fingering, this 2, 3, pinky, pinky. You can also try this one. It's all of your fingers. This is long F plus, this, so all of your fingers, the C sharp key, and no E flat pinky, and that might help you pop it out a little bit better. So I would practice just a lot of starting a lot of high notes out of nowhere, starting a lot of high notes really soft. Kind of like that, just to get really comfortable with some of the jumps needed for this one. Hope that's been helpful. Good luck. So that was the 9-10 technical etude for clarinet, as you can see. There's a few things you can do to help yourself with this etude. Yay! You can get any scale book that you have, Albert book, Behrman would be great, and you can practice the D major scales and all of the patterns, and that will be really helpful to get your fingers really comfortable with D major, particularly in 16th notes at 108, because that's exactly what this etude is all about. Another thing you can do is get very comfortable with this rhythm right here. Ba 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 ba. That happens a lot a lot in this etude for sure. So a few ways to practice that. First, just go through and every time you see this, take the tie off. Just tongue it. Play ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Everywhere that appears in the etude. It's almost every measure, and sometimes twice a measure. That's just sort of the theme of the thing, right? The other thing you want to do is that once you're really comfortable with it and you're tonguing all of it, you're not using the tie, do a little bit of a lift. Ta 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 ta, not ta 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 ta, because it's going to be late, and that's what the judges are going to be listening for. It seems like this is the rhythm du jour of this etude, right? And they want to make sure you're doing it really well. So if you listen to the etude I just played, that's how I play it. Put a little bit of lift, a little bit of daylight on the downbeat, da 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 da, and that's how you want to play that rhythm. Okay? So work in D major. Learn that rhythm, and then put a little bit of space in there. Also observe the dynamics. You can see it changes every 2 to 4 measures, so you want to observe that, and you'll be good to go. Good luck. Hope that was helpful.